Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download CapCut in your PC. So let's get started. So here we are in our PC, and basically we have two methods that we can do this. The first one is going into our Microsoft Store. So to do that, go into your Start menu, type in Store, and you should see the Microsoft Store app right here. You want to open that, and then from here, all we need to do is basically just go search for CapCut and you would be able to install it right here. This is the easiest and the most convenient one. But if you don't want to do it like this one right here, then what I can suggest is that you can do it in a web. So let's just wait for this to load so that you can see the install button right here. It's taking quite a while. Maybe my internet is quite slow right here. As you can see, it's mine. Mine is already installed right here. So I don't need to do anything right here because I already installed this one. This is the one that I use. This is the method that I used. But if you don't want to use this method, then all I can suggest is go into your browser. And then from here, you can also download your CapCut from the official website right here by simply going for google.com and search for CapCut. And you would see the CapCut.com right here and click on it right here. And then from here, you can click on download for Windows, or if you're in Mac, you would see a download for Mac option right here. Or you could also edit your video online. CapCut also offers a web version of their app, so you could also click on it right here so that you can access it. But it's for a different topic, so if you'd want to download it here, you can click here, download for Windows, and then as you can see, mine right here, it's now downloading just like this one, and all I have to do now is click on open, and it would install CapCut right here. And as you can see right now, we have opened the CapCut desktop installer, and this is all we have to do now is basically just wait, and once this has finished loading, then there will be additional instructions on where you can install it, and after that you have successfully installed CapCut in this method. But what I suggest is just simply downloading it here in the Microsoft Store because it's more convenient and it's faster. So but it depends on your preference. So yeah, that is basically on how you can do it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.